I will be your hammer. Come closer. Come. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we are going to be playing a lucky block game that I forget what it's called. But anyways, I'm gonna grab my lucky blocks. Grabbing like 50 of them would be nice. Takes a while, but see, I got a sword. Okay, don't get carried away. Ooh, wait, where's the? Oh, there it is. Yeah! Shooting or laser thingy, blabbers. Oh, it is so. Wait, is that a bomb in its hand? That is so cute. Or is that its belly? I think that's its belly. What is that? Whoa! What was that? That was creepy. Jump, jump, jump. Ha 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 ha. What's it? Woo! Whoa! It's a force field. That is so cool. Ah, this looks like a water gun. Oh, what does this do? Ah, it's so boring. But it's still pew 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 pew. Okay. I am woo. Whoa! I could fly in the sky. Ah! Fly. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. Ooh. That went crazily, but anyways. Have some. What is that? What are these? Are these like steak or something? I have the power of meat. Meat. Pew 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 pew. Whoa! Cannon, 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 cannon. Whoa! I'm good at this game. Ow! And oh my. Okay, just so you know, I'm counting whoever I kill and whoever I die. So what I'm going to do, I am going to do. Okay, that's good. Okay, so I'm going to mark one down. So I got the kill, and I got the death. So 2 kills and 1 death. Okay, good start. And I would be with Ireland, but she's not here right now. So but I'm gonna see her Friday. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna see her Friday for Easter. Yeah, someone wanted me a friend request. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna do all these and then I'll show you guys. I'm just saying the deadliest weapon is a world and it looks like I got it. But first of all, what is this? What is this? Wait, what? What? Sorry guys about that, but what is this mysterious potion building thing? Wait, I can go away from it, and there's like potions just randomly. What is this? Ah! Oh, it explodes. What does this do? Whoa, lightning. I'm going back to my base. I don't want to get killed. Wait, actually, I'll fight. I got the world. Shoo. Wait, ow! Yes, I got it. Ow, ow, ow. You may not go into the world. Ah, glitch. Is there anyone? No one behind me. I will kill you. Did I kill him? Yeah. 1 kill. Okay. I'm coming for you. Okay. Ah! What just happened? Ooh, is this burgers? Ah, shoot him! Shoot him! Shoot him! Where is he? Shoot him! Shoot him! Oh, that is so sad. Why? There was French fries on it. French fries. French fries. French fries. Beautiful, awesome. Oh, glitch, glitch, glitch. Again, it says how many minutes you played, and if you get 10 minutes, you get that. 30 minutes, you get those. Hour, you get those. And I got the laser gun. I got the laser gun. I want one. I want to be every single person. It was awesome. Dad, it was awesome. This laser gun is so powerful. Shoo, 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 shoo. Shoo, 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 shoo. Shoo, 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 shoo. Choo, 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 choo. Choo. Wait, where is the... What is this?